So today's our video's topic is emergency flood repair, air conditioning repair in Plano FX. So Efficient Home Solution is the expert in AC repair in Plano. What better way to show evidence of how Efficient Home Solution goes above and beyond for our customers with AC repair? Then the testimonial from Bianca David was professional and genuine. I felt that he gave us his honest and professional opinion. He gave us his advice and didn't try to push something um, other companies have done, trying to take advantage of first time homeowners. Highly recommended. The unfortunate truth is getting good air conditioning repair in Plano is the exception, not the rule. However, at the Efficient Home Solution, excellent services is the standard these companies promise. Our exceptional AC repair has been recognized with an A plus rating with the BBB, a perfect 5-star rating with customers lobby and the super. Now I will go to the website and check it out how they are providing their best uh, services to us. How they maintain happy Plano customers is by identifying the customer solution perfect for your home and the budget. That might mean you make a simple repair in your air conditioning system, or if needed, recommended replacing your air conditioner system entirely. On the other hand, your problems may not be AC related. You may need to add ventilation to your attic or below in ventilation to your attic or below in some new insulation. These decisions are dedicated. This website is telling that you can't trust just anyone to install and service your services. The Plano AC repairs are complex and large jobs. Sometimes maintenance and repairing only cause you troubles. Dirty air ducts lead to several problems, potentials for one. Frequently, not to mention your heating and cooling systems may work efficiently. Don't let damages duct drag your system down, whether you need duct repair or a complete repairment. These decisions are dedicated by your own. Talk with your team, learn where you are at and where you want to go. Then, as you are ready, you can make the decision that works best for you. While you sometimes feel pressure from AC contractors to buy the latest high effective AC system or fundraises, there's absolutely no pressure from us. What's so unique about AC repair in Plano? From Efficient Home Solutions to begin, most AC contractors focus on the symptoms. For example, let's say your air conditioning conditioner turns on and off too often. That's very inefficient and drives up your energy cost. In that case, contractors often say you need a new AC unit or to make a repair. While either of those solutions could be true, further investigation should be done to find out more. In reality, your AC turned on and off too frequently because it's the wrong size for your home in the first place. The contractor that installed it didn't factor in your ceiling height, square footage, or the number of the pets and the people giving off body heat. Of the amount and age of your insulation, it slowly loses its R value ability to insulate as it ages. You have poor attic ventilation. You have gained light that aren't sealed and let more air move from your attic into your home. You don't have enough air returns around your home. Secondly, you receive personal eyes from our experience heating and personalize. All our technicians have more than 5 years of experience and know how to perform high quality work and give you great customer services at the same time. The owner like to follow up regularly with our customers to make sure all AC repairs are being completed as you expected. Finally, these services makes and models Dream Carrier, Alana need Plano AC repairs. If you need an emergency AC repair Everybody is available 24 by 7 and will help you the same day. Summertime in Texas is brutal and Plano usually receives the brunt of it. There is no reason to suffer in a hot house any longer than necessary. They will send out technicians to your Plano home to investigate. I hope you like the video.